Best Real Estate Crowdfunding Platforms for 2023. According to tycoon Andrew Carnegie, who once remarked that 90% of millionaires get their money from real estate. And this helps to explain why owning a home is a fundamental component of the American dream. Unfortunately, a sharp increase in real estate prices over the past few years has kept many would-be homeowners off the market due to supply chain disruptions, historically low lending rates, and a shortage of inventory. The positive news to invest in real estate: you don't require a sizable down payment or a low debt-to-income ratio. You are not even required to maintain the lawn or fix dripping toilets. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell symbol for more wonderful videos. Number 5. Cardone Capital. You must be familiar with Grant Cardone if you aren't completely new to the financial world. He's a real estate investor and writer who has developed a commendable fan base in recent years. His own, SEC-approved investment vehicle, Cardone Capital, was created with investor cash. The program was initially decided to operate with accredited investors, but recently it has now been permitted to work with non-accredited investors. However, working with Cardone Capital will require a significant initial expenditure of approximately $5,000. The investments on this platform are trustworthy and produce consistent revenue, which can be attributed to Cardone's great real estate portfolio. Number 4. Ground floor. The general public can invest in short-term, high-yield real estate debt through Ground Floor. The service offers entrepreneurs working on fix and flips, also known as fixer-uppers, short-term loans, 3 to 18 months. After then, it permits member investors to purchase that debt. Therefore, Ground Floor provides a means for you to still participate if you're interested in the financial possibilities of fixer-uppers, but you're not very handy or knowledgeable about buying and selling actual houses. The service seeks to open up a market for assets that would otherwise be closed to the general public. Investors can start on the platform with just $10 and receive annual returns of 10% on average. Number 3. AccreTrader. Accredited investors with at least $10,000 to invest over 3 years or more may use AccreTrader's real estate investing crowdfunding platform. Because it focuses mostly on real estate, AccreTrader differs somewhat from other crowdfunding platforms. In particular, it enables a qualified investor to purchase farms rather than residential or commercial property. Farmers' yearly rent payments and the escalation in land value over time are the two main ways that investors might profit. While the latter is realized and paid out when AccreTrader sells the property and dissolves the investment vehicle, the former is normally distributed once a year in December. Number 2. YieldStreet. Alternative investments, or, more broadly, any asset other than stocks, bonds, or cash, have grown in popularity as fintech services provide the individual retail investor access to formerly restricted markets. Numerous marketplaces have been made more open thanks to these opportunities, and you may now tap previously closed cash flows to boost your revenue. One such portal that gives access to income-generating investments across several asset classes is YieldStreet. A platform for alternative investments called YieldStreet offers you chances to make money. These investment options span several asset classes, often have low stock market correlation, and are backed by collateral. YieldStreet, which has been in operation since 2015, has given back to investors more than $600 million. Investment opportunities can be made for periods of 3 months to 7 years. The minimum investment ranges from $2,500 to well into the 5 figures. Technically, YieldStreet is accessible to all investors because both accredited and non-accredited investors can invest in the YieldStreet Prism Fund. However, to take part in any other YieldStreet offers, you must be an accredited investor. Number 1. Fundrise. By enabling access to many funds, each of which holds a variety of properties and is intended to offer varied degrees of risk and income, Fundrise offers diversity to its investors. This well-known real estate investment platform provides a wide range of choices, including: investors can now access Fundrise for as little as $10 with starter and basic accounts. Money put into a starter account or basic account, $1,000 or more minimum commitment, is automatically invested in the flagship real estate fund, which seeks a balanced objective of income and growth. Core, $5,000 or more. Advanced, $10,000 or more. And Premium, $100,000 or more. Accounts all have access to more specific techniques. From low-risk high-income to high-risk high-income, the four main funds are Fixed Income, Core Plus, Value Add, and Opportunistic. The account's access to Fundrise's REITs varies. Additionally, the Fundrise eFund, a tax-efficient partnership that may hold non-REIT qualifying assets with unique potential, is available for investment through advanced and premium accounts. Fundrise IPO. Through this internet public offering, investors can purchase stock in Rise Companies Corp., the parent firm of Fundrise. The innovation fund invests in high-growth, privately held technological companies rather than real estate. The fund can own early and late-stage private companies as well as some public securities, even though it anticipates concentrating mostly on late-stage businesses. Fundrise would most likely make an investment in these publicly traded companies before their IPO. That's it for today, guys. What did you think of the video? Please share with us in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more incredible videos.